How to make $500 per month staking crypto. Crypto staking is a process by which individuals can participate in the operation of a blockchain network and earn rewards by holding and staking their cryptocurrency. In simple terms, staking involves committing your crypto assets to support the network's operations, such as validating transactions. This is usually done through a protocol that requires staked coins to lock into the network for a period, in return for rewards paid in the form of additional crypto tokens. This process is often associated with networks that utilize a proof-of-stake (POS) consensus mechanism, in contrast to proof-of-work mechanisms like those used by Bitcoin. Understanding crypto staking and its earning potential is crucial for anyone exploring ways to make passive income through blockchain technology. Staking not only provides a way to earn additional points, like interest on a savings account, but also contributes to the overall security and efficiency of the blockchain network. For individuals aiming to make $500 a month through staking, grasping the fundamentals of how and why it works opens up opportunities for strategic investment choices. To illustrate, consider Ethereum 2.0, which transitioned from proof-of-work to proof-of-stake, enabling users to stake ETH and earn rewards. Similarly, platforms like Cardano and Polkadot allow token holders to participate in staking pools, thereby lowering the barrier to entry and increasing accessibility. These real-world applications demonstrate the feasibility of earning a steady return from staking activities, assuming individuals make informed decisions about which tokens to stake and the associated risk. Supporters of crypto staking argue that it democratizes the earnings process, as more people can participate without needing the expensive hardware required for mining. Additionally, staking is lauded for its energy efficiency compared to traditional mining, aligning with growing environmental concerns. However, challenges and controversies do exist. Market volatility can affect the value of staked assets, leading to potential losses despite earning more tokens. Additionally, staking typically requires coins to be locked up for a set period, which might reduce liquidity and flexibility for investors. There are also debates around the centralization risk, where large stakeholders might wield excessive influence over the network. Ultimately, the practice of crypto staking is interconnected with broader investment strategies within the crypto space. It encourages deeper engagement with blockchain networks and requires a well-rounded approach to financial planning. Earning $500 per month by staking crypto relies on selecting the right tokens, understanding market trends, and implementing effective risk management strategies that complement other investment endeavors. Cryptocurrency, in its simplest form, is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of a central authority. Staking, specifically, is an investment strategy within the cryptocurrency market where individuals hold and lock a certain amount of cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. In return, stakers earn rewards, which can become a passive income stream. Understanding these foundational elements is crucial when aiming to earn $500 a month through staking. The significance of grasping the basics of cryptocurrency and staking lies in the potential financial opportunities they present. Staking allows individuals to participate in blockchain networks' proof-of-stake (POS) models, enhancing network security and efficiency. This understanding is critical for anyone looking to take advantage of cryptocurrency staking rewards and maximize their monthly income potential. Take, for example, Ethereum 2.0, which has transitioned to a POS consensus mechanism. Participants can earn rewards by staking ETH in the network, thus contributing to its security and management. Another example is Cardano, which allows developers to stake their assets and earn a share of the network's transaction fees, demonstrating the tangible benefits of getting involved in staking. Supporters of staking argue that it democratizes access to financial rewards and participation in shaping emerging blockchain networks. It provides a more energy-efficient alternative to traditional mining, aligning well with growing environmental concerns. However, there are challenges. The volatility of cryptocurrency prices means that the value of staked tokens can fluctuate, impacting potential earnings. Additionally, some networks require a minimum stake amount, which can pose a barrier to entry for smaller investors. There's also controversy regarding the centralization risk if few entities accumulate significant stakes, potentially undermining the decentralized ethos of blockchain. Understanding the basics of staking connects directly to other aspects of making $500 a month as it illustrates how essential informed participation in blockchain networks is to potential profits. Knowledge of the cryptocurrency's intricacies enables individuals to make smarter choices about which projects to engage with and how to effectively manage and grow their stakes. As more people become involved in staking, it's crucial to weigh both its opportunities and challenges, ensuring a balanced and well-informed approach to accessing passive income in the modern digital economy. This foundational knowledge is pivotal to navigating and succeeding in the crypto staking landscape. Selecting the right cryptocurrency for staking is a crucial step in the journey to making $500 a month from staking crypto. Staking involves locking up a certain amount of cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network, and in return, earning rewards. The choice of cryptocurrency significantly impacts how profitable and secure your staking endeavor will be. It's true because not all cryptocurrencies offer staking, and among those that do, the rewards, risks, and requirements can vary greatly. Selecting the right cryptocurrency covers several fronts, including potential profitability, risk associated with the blockchain, the technological fundamentals of the project, and the track record of the development team. For instance, when staking with Ethereum, Following its transition to the proof-of-stake model, users earn rewards for helping secure the network, providing a relatively stable staking outcome with a large community support. Another example is Cardano, known for its environmentally friendly and sustainable staking procedures with a solid roadmap supported by a consistently active technical team, making it an attractive option for long-term staking. Supporters of staking typically argue that it provides a more energy-efficient alternative to traditional proof-of-work mining, offers predictable reward, and strengthens the network by encouraging users to commit their holdings. However, selecting the right footprint for staking isn't devoid of challenges and controversies. There is always the risk of volatility in the market affecting the value of the staking rewards or the cryptocurrency itself. Moreover, choosing the most reliable and uncontrolled cryptocurrency can mean the lockup of assets in a protocol that fails or gets attacked, leading to losses. There are also alternative viewpoints suggesting how staking can generate passive income. It sometimes locks users into long-term commitments, reducing liquidity and the ability to react to market changes. Critics also warn against over-reliance on staking as a revenue stream due to potential regulatory changes impacting how staking is approached globally. The choice of cryptocurrency for staking is intertwined with other aspects of the staking process, such as calculating potential returns, understanding staking requirements, and assessing the sustainability and security of a blockchain network we plan to support. By thoroughly analyzing and making informed decisions, one can influence the overall success and reliability of achieving a $500 monthly income from staking crypto. This decision is foundational, materially influencing risk levels and ultimate profitability. Setting up a staking wallet and platform is a crucial step in the process of earning passive income through staking cryptocurrency. Staking is a method used in various blockchain networks, allowing participants to lock up or stake their cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the operations and security of a blockchain network. In return for their contribution, participants are rewarded with additional coins or tokens, which can provide a steady stream of income. The importance of setting up a staking wallet and platform cannot be overstated, as it is the foundation upon which the entire staking process is built. Choosing the right wallet and platform ensures that you have access to a user-friendly interface, security features, and the flexibility to stake a variety of cryptocurrencies. For example, individuals interested in staking Cardano, ADA, would first need to set up a compatible wallet like Daedalus or Real Order, which are designed specifically for Cardano staking. Similarly, those interested in staking Ethereum 2.0 could opt for wallets such as MetaMask and Trust Wallet, which offer support for ETH staking via third-party services. These wallets, in conjunction with a reliable staking platform like Binance or Coinbase, provide users with the tools they need to manage their assets efficiently and securely. Many experts support the idea of staking due to its potential for generating stable, passive income and its contribution to network security. Unlike traditional investment opportunities, staking can offer high returns while allowing holders to maintain ownership of their assets. However, there are challenges and alternative viewpoints to consider. For instance, the crypto space is notoriously volatile, and potential stakers must identify anomalies such as fluctuating market conditions, platform security issues, and potential regulatory changes. Additionally, the competitive staking environment can make it difficult for newcomers to achieve significant returns without thorough research and strategic planning. While setting up a staking wallet and platform is just one piece of the puzzle, it forms the backbone of successful staking endeavors. A well-chosen wallet and platform can streamline the entire process, allowing users to focus on selecting the best projects to stake. The right setup enables investors to diversify their staking portfolio, enhancing overall returns, and achieving the goal of earning $500 per month from staking crypto. As part of a broader strategy, setting up a staking wallet and platform acts as a catalyst, influencing decisions about which cryptocurrencies to stake and how to adapt to changes in the crypto market landscape.